Get a photo bomb. Okay. The windstorm, guys. There's an update. The windstorm just got worse. It is a level 4 windstorm right now. It blew all the leaves off that tree. It got annihilated. Oh yeah, this is not just the normal part. It's gonna get very windier than this. Like this is only just the beginning. Wait until you see it get more worse. Oh my god. Jesus. This is literally insane. Oh my. Yo, look at this. What the fuck? All those leaves just got stacked there. Oh my god, look at the Mississippi helicopters. The Mississippi helicopters are flying in the air. Wherever those leaves are. I call those leaves the Mississippi helicopters. Oh my god, that's so cold. Oh my god, that's flat. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, yo. Over there, like if like all those leaves there are 6 times the amount of leaves. Over there, from here are 200 times the amount of leaves we have. Because the wind's gonna get very aggressive. Oh my god. Chat, I don't know what to say. Subscribe.